everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today's extra exciting because we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel, and it is called Brownstone in Maine. It's right here. So since it's new, let's just go over a little bit of information about the box before we unbox it and see what's inside. So Brownstone in Maine sounds awesome. Like I said, this is the first time I received it, so I have no idea what's inside, but I love the idea behind it. So it's, first of all, it's a bi-monthly box. I absolutely love bi-monthly boxes. I've said this numerous times when it's come up on our channel, but you get it every other month instead of every month. So you save a little bit of money and then you're not bombarded with a bunch of items. I think more boxes should offer bi-monthly subscriptions because I think they are great. I cost $44.99 plus free shipping. And this box features women-owned small businesses. It's all about shopping small, and I think that is awesome. And some of their proceeds from all their funds goes towards the Malala Project, so I think that is amazing. I absolutely love when my boxes give back. So far this box is totally winning for me. It's bi-monthly, it is all from like women-owned small businesses, and it gives back to charity. Awesome. So yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. Of course, I'm going to link them down below if you want to check out their website or subscribe, but yeah, let's get started. When I open up the box, this is what I see. Everything is under some tissue, and it looks like there's a referral code on top. Awesome. So it says your referral code is KittyBoxes10. I'm gonna link that, or I'll list it down below along with the link. It says your friends and family will get $10 off their first box with your referral code. Awesome, that's great. Thank you for providing that for us, Brownstone in Maine. And then there's another sheet of paper here that says at Brownstone in Maine, we take pride in taking care of our planet. That is why all the materials in this box are recycled. Please keep the cycle going and recycle this box. I love that they do that. I'm all about that. I recycle all the boxes I get, and I get a lot of boxes, so I think that's important that they bring that up. And there's a little note here for me that's super sweet. It says, Kitty, thank you so much for being a part of the Brownstone in Maine journey. This box represents 7 women-owned small businesses, including ours. Thanks for supporting our mission, XOX Jessie. Oh, isn't that nice? And then there's a little sticker here holding everything in that says, thank you for shopping small. So this is their pumpkin spice and everything nice box, and look at how it comes wrapped up. So it's like a little pamphlet tied up with string. It's so cute. Love the fall theme and pumpkin spice and everything nice. You guys know I'm totally into the pumpkin spice. And then this is what the inside looks like. How cute is this? And it talks about like following them on social media. And it says, because of you, we donated a portion of this box to the Malala Fund to bring quality education to girls all around the world. Awesome. And then it talks about the businesses on each of these pages. This is seriously so cute. So I'll read this and show you guys the pictures of the creators and all of that as we go along. Okay, the first thing I see is a little sign here that says thankful. I love this. It's a great reminder to practice gratitude, which I think is super important. It says My Craft, Your Memories. This is made by Janine Howard. And you can find her on Instagram at My Craft, Your Memories. You guys see that? So let's find her in this little booklet. Awesome. This is so cute. I love stuff like this, and I love like how it's like a little bit distressed. It's really pretty. Okay, so it says introducing Janine from My Craft Your Memories, and look, you can see her with her family there. That's so sweet. And it says Janine is the owner of My Craft Your Memories. She started the business in 2012 because her love for craft and her love to craft and create products. She makes custom signs, stickers, and apparel for all events and ages. Everything she creates and makes is high quality and made by hand in her home in the New York State. Her biggest inspiration is her children, who you can see in the featured picture. And says, what's included in your pumpkin spice and everything nice box? The thankful sign. This sign is inspired by Thanksgiving and being thankful for the wonderful people around us. The thankful sign is hand stained and hand painted by Janine. Place it on your mantle, hang it on your wall, or put it in your Thanksgiving table this season. And this has a value of $10. I am thankful I received that. That's awesome. And it looks like there's a promo code to get 15% off her order on her Etsy account. Use promo code Brownstone15 in all caps on her Etsy account to get 15% off your order. If anyone's interested in any codes, definitely let me know in case I forget to list them down below. Let's move on to the next item. I'm super excited about these because they're so cute, and I am all about using paper straws if I use any at all. This is by Twigs and Twirls. It says making every day a celebration. Look how cute these straws are. Oh my god, I love them. Nice. So it says introducing Melissa from Twigs and Twirls. She is right there looking beautiful. It says Twigs and Twirls was founded in Portland, Oregon in 2013 by Melissa, a wife and mom of 4 small children whose home is literally filled with glitter, confetti, and balloons at all time. Twigs and Twirls is a boutique party and gift store. They curate, design, and create party supplies that are fun and pretty amazing. Their mission is to decorate your moments and memories and to make every day a celebration. Why does Melissa love being an entrepreneur? Melissa loves being an entrepreneur because it means freedom and possibility. Freedom for her family to live the life they desire while giving her flexibility to be home with her kids. What's included in your pumpkin spice and everything nice box? You get an autumn paper straws kit. So there's 25 in here. Awesome. This is so cute. This is a retail value of $4. It says these straws are so cute and perfect for any fall parties you may be hosting. They're also paper, not plastic, because at Brownstone in Maine, we're always trying to encourage using eco-friendly products. And there is a promo code BMaine20 to get 20% off your purchase at twigsandtwirls.com. Awesome, these are so cute. Ooh, the next thing is something that's in a jar and some bubble wrap. Let me get it open. Oh my god, so good. Bumbleberry Farms Pumpkin Spice Honey Cream Spread. This sounds so good. Pumpkin spice honey cream spread. Oh my gosh. It says the woodland animals at Bumbleberry Farms will do just about anything to get their paws in our sweet, smooth spreads. Yummy and lattes and pancake batter over nuts and popcorn with roasted vegetables, even paws. Awesome. This sounds so good. Let's learn more about it. So it says introducing Karen from Bumbleberry Farm. There's Karen right there. And it says, oh look, it says, oh honey on there. That's cute. But I was gonna say, the pamphlet says, it says Bumbleberry Farm is owned by Karen and is based out of Pennsylvania. They specialize in creating small batch honey-based spreads. All of their ingredients are hand selected to offer the best products to their customers. On top of offering delicious spreads, they also have a very popular skincare line. All of their skincare products are kept simple using fair trade organic butters which are harvested by women in Western Africa. What is the most satisfying part of what you do? Karen says, knowing that I'm playing a small part in keeping the honeybee population going, whether through beekeeping or educating others about bees, is very satisfying. I also get a kick out of the expressions of people who taste my honey or cream spreads for the first time. So what is included in the pumpkin spice and everything nice box? This is the pumpkin spice honey cream spread. This has a retail value of $9. It says this delicious spread is full of amazing flavors. It literally tastes like pumpkin pie in a spoon. It is great for pairing with warm biscuits, oatmeals, lattes, and so much more. Oh man, yummy. The ingredients include honey, butter, whole milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. I'm gonna try this with like my latte I'm gonna make after this now. This sounds so good, I'm getting hungry. And there's a promo code, it says use code VIB to get 10% off your first order at bumbleberryfarms.com. The next item is also wrapped up well in bubble wrap. Let me get this out. Oh, this is super cute. This is by Wild Bower Studios. It's like a little trinket tray. You see that? That's pretty. Let's learn more about this. So it says, introducing Nicole from Wild Bower Studio. I said that weird. So it says Nicole is the owner of Wild Bower Studio, nestled in the Catskill Mountains in New York. She combines her love of the natural world with her background as an oil painter to create stunning ceramics. She uses simple organic shapes and layers, handmade glaze, to show touches of texture throughout her pieces. She's always exploring what clay can become in creating new pieces. She offers dinnerware, planters, jewelry, and art. So what is included in your pumpkin spice and everything nice box? So this is the catch-all dish, and it is $17.50. Again, that's what it looks like. It says, the dish is to die for. It's handmade by Nicole in her studio. No two dishes are the same, as each dish is hand-painted. They are also super versatile and can be used to organize or display your personal items like jewelry and keys. They are even great to use in your kitchen as a salt dish, spice holder, or butter. Awesome, I'm excited to use this. And there is a 15% off code. You can use B&M15 at wildbowerstudio.com. Next up, we have something wrapped up Wonder what this is. Ooh, I love stuff like this. This is by Wicked Good, Girl Boss Wicked Good perfume. So I'm guessing this is like a little roller ball. I like the name of it, Girl Boss. It's very fitting for this box too. Yep, so it is a roller ball. Oh, it smells so good. I don't have any perfume on yet today, so roll some on. Oh man, what is that scent? Does it say on here? I don't know, but it's 10 mLs by Wicked Good, based out of Northfield, Illinois, my home state. So let's learn more about this. It smells really good. What is it? So introducing Sherry from Wicked Good. Looks like there's Sherry and her family there. It says, Sherry is the owner of Wicked Good Perfumes based out of Chicago. Her fragrances are inspired by fantasy, fairies, legends, and lore. All of Wicked Good's perfumes are handcrafted in small batches with plant extracts, distilled flower essences, and fragrant perfume oils. Each bottle is made to order. Everything in their line is vegan and cruelty-free. About Sherry. Sherry worked with essential oils and perfume notes, studying the art and science of aromaology for many years. Enamored with certain ingredients for their aromatherapeutic benefits to help promote a sense of well-being, she whipped up special blends for her own personal products and gifts. After exceeding the demand from family and friends, Wicked Good launched in 2017 on Etsy. So what's included in our pumpkin spice and everything nice box? This is Girl Boss. The perfume was custom made for the Brownstone, Maine, and all the girl bosses that subscribe. Awesome. This is $15. Did I say that already? And there's a promo code BM2019 to get 15% off your purchases at wickedgood.co. This smells really good. I wish I could describe it better, but I am happy to wear this and feel like a girl boss. Awesome. And it looks like we have one more thing in here. This is Some Essentials I'm a Cream Repair and Preventative. Eye cream. Okay, so I think this is obviously an eye cream. And it says all the ingredients on here. Repair and preserve. Let's look into this. Alright, so introducing Stephanie from Some Essentials. And here's Stephanie with her dog. How cute. So Some Essentials is owned by Stephanie and is based out of California. Stephanie started Some Essentials because she couldn't find all natural products that were affordable and high quality. She quickly realized that it simply did not exist. She wanted to create products that were both high quality but also didn't break the bank. She then started doing her own research and making products, and that's where Some Essentials started. So about Stephanie. Stephanie is a mom with 2 kids, a wonderful husband, 2 cats, and a large puppy who she runs with every day. She's a huge fan of nature and trying to be healthy, but believes everything is a balance. She's a homebody, and being with her family is what motivates her to work hard every day. So what's included in our box? This is the Some Essentials Eye Cream, which has a retail value of $14. It says, as our skin gets drier and drier throughout the fall season, it's important to use a great eye cream. Apply this eye cream morning and night to help your skin keep your skin moisturized. Ingredients like coconut butter, shea butter, and grapeseed will protect you. Okay, great. And it says use promo code FALL2019 to get 25% off your purchase at someessentials.com. Awesome. This is like a large amount of eye product too. I feel like this will last a while. That's what it looks like. I don't know, I just felt the urge to sniff it. Kind of smells like something, but it's very light, which is good. I guess you wouldn't want your eye cream to be like super fragrant, would you? But I think this box was so great and fun to open, and I love this handout that comes with it and talks about all of the companies. Oh cool, so it looks like they are available on Cratejoy too, so cool. And it says if you review their box, you can be entered to win a 6-month subscription, so cool. So it says, like us, follow us, share us. Every time you do, another small business owner does a happy dance. So let's just do a quick recap. So we have this little information packet. We have the eye cream, which I feel like will last forever. I'm excited to try it out. The little catch-all tray, which is super pretty. And I love the colors. I love blues. We have this Girl Boss perfume by Wicked Good that smells awesome. Oh, I'm super excited to try this. The Bumbleberry Farms Pumpkin Spice Honey Cream Spread. And then we have our straws, super cute, and I love they're eco-friendly, and our thankful sign. I'm all about practicing gratitude. I think it's so important, and this is a great reminder, so love this. So just out of curiosity, I'm gonna add up the total of all the items. So the total is about $70, and again, you pay like $44 and you get free shipping. So I think this is really great. I love supporting women-owned small businesses, and everything in here is something I will use. So that is obviously awesome. I'm trying to say awesome all the time. Someone made a comment once that I like describe everything as awesome, but I really do think this is awesome. But anyways, again, I'm gonna link them down below, and I'll give that promo code. Yeah, you save $10 off your first box, so that is awesome. So definitely worth it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.